When you read supply chain, what's the next word that comes to mind? Volatility? Disruption? Risk? Problems? If so, it's time to reset the conversation with words like resiliency, predictability, efficiency, and excellence. How do we get there? In a word, partnership. This is a concept that we hold close at Fastenal. It means investing in an end-to-end program to drive risk, cost, and waste out of your business. What does that look like? Let's take a trip across the supply chain. At the far end is a deep, diverse, and closely managed supplier base, with multi-source options in core categories and approved factories spanning the globe as a hedge against regional risk. Global sourcing and quality teams help establish agility and control early in the supply chain, and our relationships and volume afford priority allocation in times of supply chain stress. Moving closer to your facilities, planned product needs are backstopped with multi-tiered inventory in regional distribution centers, in local or on-site stocking locations, and at point-of-use locations supported by technology. Fastenal trucks run consistent daily routes to maintain local inventory levels. Local Fastenal teams execute a consistent service schedule to maintain your target min-max levels. And the first time your team needs to think about or touch the product is when they're ready to use it. The system is put into motion by our core investment in the partnership. Great people, close to your business, empowered by technology. Let's break it down. Great people includes a local or on-site team to execute the program, solve problems, and become experts in your processes and products, along with subject matter experts to provide high-level support in areas like safety, engineering, metalworking, and lean solutions, and layers of leadership and corporate support to ensure our global resources are aligned with your enterprise vision and local needs. Close to your business refers to our global footprint and ability to scale and integrate with your organization everywhere you operate. Whether that's providing tailored inventory and service through a nearby branch, or investing in a custom on-site program dedicated to your facility and designed around your needs and KPIs. Through our Innova subsidiary, the integration can be enhanced with procurement and payables processing services. A complete source-to-pay solution for all indirect materials, regardless of the source. Empowered by Technology describes solutions to automate, digitalize, and analyze the supply chain, a comprehensive tech infrastructure we refer to as the digital footprint. The foundation is FMI Technology, a lineup of devices that raise the bar on what we can achieve together through a Fastenal managed inventory program. It includes mobile technology to bring visibility to product locations and details and to simplify our local replenishment process. Think of this as a baseline solution for slower turning items that don't require 24/7 monitoring. Faster moving or mission critical parts can be supported with devices that allow our local teams to monitor your inventory remotely for a more proactive and lean process. Technologies include RFID, infrared, and scale. You also have access to a lineup of solutions to not only monitor products, but also to control and track them, from returnable assets to MRO consumables of all shapes and sizes. The common benefits? 24/7 controlled access and visibility to how products are being allocated in your business. Who, what, where, when, and why. Without technology, managing supplies is expensive. It requires a chain of tasks and touches by various personnel to get it right. Through a combination of automation and local service, an FMI Technology program frees your team from those repetitive processes, unlocking time and energy for productive work. But these solutions don't just automate, they illuminate. Taking industrial supplies out of the shadows and into a planned, proactive environment that can be analyzed and continually improved through our partnership. The digital footprint is completed with e-business solutions, including our e-commerce websites as well as e-procurement solutions to integrate our respective systems and automate the procure-to-pay process, generating a robust data story with minimal clicks and processing. We're all familiar with the concept of planned versus unplanned spend. Today we're shifting the paradigm to digital versus analog. In this context, think of the digital footprint as a self-evolving ecosystem. It captures the data needed to analyze purchasing and usage trends, to proactively plan the upstream supply chain, and to dial in on the most effective method to supply the product. It also redefines what can be managed by Fastenal and how, with technology to bring transparency and planning to an ever-expanding scope of product needs. On all fronts, the movement is toward more data-driven decision-making, better planning, more relevance and impact. This is what we strive to deliver to your business. Not just supplies, but a stronger supply chain. Not just a product, but solutions for productivity. Not just a part, but a partnership. Fastenal, where industry meets innovation.